So we got a little bit of a issue this week for this week's video, but it gives me a good opportunity to help you guys out with something that there's not a lot of online support for. And what that is a Mark V Volkswagen common problem. I've already started pulling things apart, as you can see, but what we're gonna have to do here, friends, is a little bit of diagnosing. And it's not too difficult with this problem, because it's 9 times out of 10. The initial concern is a stuck pedal, right? And so I've filled mine back up. That's why it's not sticking all the way. However, what you'll see here is, really don't want to do it again because brake fluid's a nasty thing, but oh man, hey, oh hey, okay, so what you'll notice is that's our clutch master cylinder. It's very wet down there below. All that yellow tint, this brake fluid, hydraulic fluid, everything up here. So it's coming out of this top right side. There's a hairline crack right there where the firewall meets the plastic. There's a hairline crack. What that means for us is a flat pedal, air in the system, and the need of a new clutch master cylinder. So first we replace it. Got to pull it out, 3 bolts, and I believe you're gonna have to pull out the pedal as well, clutch pedal. It's not a huge big deal, not a big thing. And then we'll pop a clip out, replace the plunger, install the new clutch master, reinstall the pedal, hook the lines back up, and bleed it. So yeah, we'll get to that right now. First thing you're gonna want to do is be careful when you're messing with brake fluid. If you get it on your hands, forget about touching any more metal. And the second thing you're gonna want to do is pull these hoses off. Here's just some type of return or breather, not return, overflow, main reservoir fill. Okay, low pressure line, pull it off, no problem. Just hand tight pressure. This one, pop this clip back. See that clip there? Mine's all rusted. Show you on the new one. That clip there. Open it up, and then it looks like a metal line, but it's also got a rubber hose. So you should be good to just go ahead and push down on it, and it should release there, and it should not crack or crease anything. We're gonna do that now. Also, don't forget, like I almost did, you have an electrical connector on the bottom side. See that there? Okay. Gigabyte SD card in there.
Yeah, I need one of them back.
I need to give you both of them back.
I'm good with just one for now.
Oh yeah, hey, so check that out. There is a bar in the way. You gotta bend it out of your way. Bend it out of your way, then it comes out. No problem. I kept going lower with it. I was like trying
to get the pedal.
I was trying to match the pedal in my face. It didn't work. Okay. What is up, you guys? As you can see, we've got the old one out here. It looks like he used to have some white lithium grease on there. Luckily, I've got some white lithium grease ready to put on the new one. So we've got it all greased up. Now there was 2 white clips you got to depress at the same time on each side of the pedal. Oh, oh, tell me it did not. It just broke on me. It fell out and broke on me.
It doesn't look like there was anything. Oh yeah, I guess it was together. Maybe it goes, I don't know, maybe it can squeeze back in there on both sides. It was clearly snapped before you did that.
I don't think it was. I think it was brittle and old.
Well look, it has teeth right there, like, I don't know, it kind of looks like it broke, but it kind of looks like it doesn't.
Broke. I've seen the clip in one piece before.
Maybe do it.
Oh, yeah. Maybe do it the right way. There's the spring. Every time. Why do I keep putting my finger there? Ow.
And the ball did when you shoved it down in there, you know what I mean?
God, if I fucking... Okay, so, new day. Charged flashlight. Semi-charged, because I still am silly and forgot a little bit for a while. But anyways, what we're gonna do is reinstall this pedal, and then we're gonna hook up our connector and our lines, top and bottom, and then bleed it. Simple as that. Now that we got some light. Okay, so that was much easier to go in than it was to get out, I'll tell you that much. Now I gotta find that bolt from yesterday. There's 2 of them. So now I think Brandon had the right idea. We're gonna use the paper towel trick. Get a piece of paper towel or paper. Yeah, this works. It's just a to-do list. Yeah, clean cars out. That didn't happen, did it? Oh, it did on one of them. Okay. So we've got our paper. We've got our extension. It's tight on there. I'm about to rip this paper off clean. Like that. Smaller piece so it doesn't grab on anything while we're fishing it down in there. Jam it on there like that. It's not gonna fall out. Okay. Now we have to fish it back all the way back in there. Alright, I kinda got an eye on it. Under this wire harness. Come on. Need another extension. Good thing your boy came prepared with another extension. Sorry. Yes, sir, hey, Bob. To get that nut on there. And then can even see the receipt. Still on there. Okay. See that? So that's what we want. The bolt's on there. Extension came back out in one piece. Okay. One piece, baby. There we go. Like so. Now we do our final bolt. Like so. Alrighty. So I have to re-put up my plastics here because I was being silly and thought I needed to take it off. But in fact you don't. So I'm gonna put that back on, and then we're gonna get to plugging this thing back in, plugging it back up, and then bleeding it. Alrighty, so now we've got one connector. We'll go on the bottom here. Slide that on. If I can get it lined up. There we go. It's starting to worry me, but it's on there. Okay, heard the click. Now we'll throw our high pressure on because our clip is still pulled from installation. Well, let's make sure our clip's still pulled. Half of it's pulled, it's not all the way pulled. Okay. Just like that. Pop it back out. Push the line back in to the new one, just like that. Push that clip on secure. Right down there. And then give that line a tug. Make sure it ain't coming out for anything. Now the low pressure, the top side, the fill one, just shove it on. Yep, we'll just shove it on and make sure we don't pull it out of our reservoir there. Okay, we've got it shoved on. Don't worry, just because our pedal's still flat. That's how it's gonna be for a moment. First, I'm gonna take the brake fluid that I have and make sure our reservoir is topped off. And it's pretty topped off. So now, quite simply, you're gonna pump. Alrighty, so once you get it bled, you'll notice you have a good strong pedal. And we'll throw the battery back on, but you guys already know how to do that. Throw the battery and battery tray back on there, and voila, you've replaced your clutch master cylinder on your Mark V Volkswagen. So thanks for tuning in, thanks for checking us out. If you like the video, there's plenty of more how-tos. If you like the cold air engine intake on there, we got a how-to down below. Like, comment, subscribe, it really helps me. I appreciate you all. Without further ado, I'll see you guys next week. Peace out, be safe as always.